What is up, fam? So the bullet's gone. Silver bullet. I traded it for this 2000 Jeep Wrangler TJ. So this is gonna be basically my new project. I just got tired of working on the 6-liter and always having to fix something and it always breaking something, and so that's terrible lighting. So I decided to try and find something else that I would really enjoy, and this was it. If you follow my Instagram, which is JaceWorld13, you'll see that my buddy Perry has a Jeep Comanche, and we're planning a trip to Arkansas to go off-roading and do a 3-day off-roading / camping, basically overlanding trip. And so this Jeep is gonna kind of get us through that. So it's a 2000 Jeep Wrangler Cherokee, or oh my god, a Jeep Wrangler TJ, I'm sorry. It's got a 4-liter inline 6, 5-speed manual transmission, 33-inch all-terrain tires. It's got a 2-inch leveling kit, basically. It's lifted 2 inches, but it's more of a leveling kit than anything else. It's just, they just put a puck on the springs. It has the XRC 9,500 pound winch. This lighting is terrible. Has a Smittybilt off-road front bumper with a stinger, and that's basically it. That's the only thing that's been done to this Jeep. Other than that is its bone stock. I recently did a little bit of work to it to get it running a little bit better. It was misfiring, it was a little sluggish, so I did the oil change on it. I used GTX Castrol Edge 10W30 full synthetic oil with a K&N oil filter, and then I did something that, wow, really helped. I actually bought some seafoam, and if you haven't already seen videos on it, I mean, it is awesome stuff. I poured it down the intake, you know, just poured it about half a bottle, a little bit at a time. And then once I poured half the bottle, I turned the Jeep off and let it heat soak for at least 10 minutes. Once I let it heat soak for 10 minutes, I took it for a drive, and you're supposed to drive it hard, so I drove it pretty hard, and wow, what a difference it made. The Jeep idles a lot better. It has way more power in the lower end. Basically what I'm trying to do is get a little bit better gas mileage out of this thing. Right now I'm getting like 10 miles per gallon, which I feel like is pretty horrible. And so I'm trying to get a little bit better gas mileage out of it. So I did the seafoam, I did the oil change, doing spark plugs tomorrow, because I hear that doing the seafoam can actually foul out the spark plugs. Here's the interior. I'll get a better video of it tomorrow. I'm sorry guys, this is kind of shitty. I should have had my flash on. Hold on 1 second. There we go, that's a little bit better. So this is the interior. It's in really good shape. The guy I got it from said that it was pulled behind a camper most of its life, which is why it's in really good conditions, but it's also why it has so many miles. It has 196,000 miles, but it does not look it. The carpet looks really good. It's a little dirty right now, but the rest of the Jeep is just in really good condition. The top has no holes in it, so that's really good. The tires are damn near brand new. I was really wanting to get a hard top just because of the road noise, but after driving this thing for 2 weeks, honestly, the road noise isn't terrible. It's bearable. I do need to get a full-size spare for this, because right now it has the stock size spare. I mean, it is full size, but it's still the stock tire size, so I need to get the right size for that. But overall, the Jeep's in really good conditions, and I'm really happy with it. I'm excited for what's to come. Like I mentioned earlier, a lot of the stuff I do with this Jeep gets posted up on Instagram. I like posting more on there. It's just easier to post on my story. So I don't really do a lot of in-depth videos on YouTube. I will eventually, but I'm kind of doing videos on my phone for now. So basically, Instagram is kind of the place to follow on some of the things that I do. Now tomorrow when there's light, I will make a video on what I did with the seafoam, kind of just show you guys. It's very simple, very easy procedure. But I also will be either installing an electric fan or ripping out the whole dash so I can replace the heater core. It is leaking, it smells, I don't like it. So I'm probably gonna replace that. I wanna do the electric fans just because, like I said, I'm trying to get a little bit better fuel economy out of this. If I'm gonna be using this for overlanding, I wanna do everything I can to squeeze as much miles per gallon out of this thing as I can. And I'm not expecting much, but hey, if I'm doing better than 10 miles per gallon, I'll be happy with it. I mean, if I can get at least 12, maybe 13, I'll be more than happy with it. So tomorrow, spark plugs, electric fan, maybe heater core. And that's pretty much it, because I already did the oil change today. Oil change was done today. So, and I did the seafoam today. So pretty happy with it so far. You guys stay tuned, and I will be definitely taking lots of videos of when I take this off-roading for the first time, which may be before Arkansas, because I do kind of want to take it out, see what she's capable of, see what I need to maybe work on, what I need to fix. Oh, also the transmission mount. It's making a lot of rattling noise underneath, so I'm going to change the transmission mount tomorrow also. So that's another thing I need to do. But yeah, this is basically my new project. The Ford will be missed. I may get another one later in the future, but this is definitely a vehicle I've been trying to purchase since I was in high school. So it's definitely been a long time coming, and now that I finally have one, I'm actually really excited to see what it can do out there. And honestly, driving this thing is awesome. It's so comfortable inside. Other than the wind noise, I mean, everything about it I just love. I love this thing. I'm so excited to see what becomes of it. So stay tuned, you guys. I'll try and do my best to take videos, but like I said, I'm doing everything on my phone right now. I upload off my phone everything. I don't have a big setup. I don't have a lot of money to spend. I have a family. I work full-time, so this is kind of becoming just something I do as a hobby, and I'll probably keep doing it with my phone up until the point where maybe someday I'll decide to get a good setup with computer and cameras and all that. But until then, this is what you're gonna get. Raw footage, raw video, probably not very well edited, not very well cut, of me going over stuff like this. And I'm more than happy to answer questions. I'm more than happy to help you guys if you need anything. Best way to contact me is through my Instagram. It'll be down in the description. I'll put my name in the description. Go on there, go follow me. You can see, you scroll down, I mean, go through there. I have a lot of posts of different vehicles that I've worked on, that I've purchased, that I've upgraded, that I've messed with. I've worked on just about everything, from diesel, like big trucks, to Jeeps, down to BMWs and Volkswagens. I'm actually going to be doing an oil pan and window regulators on a 2004 BMW here soon also. So go follow me, and again, if you have questions, I'm more than happy to answer. I'm more than happy to do whatever I can to help you. We're all kind of new at this at one point or another, so please, there are no stupid questions. I just want to make these videos mostly for fun for me. Drag my ass through the mud down in the comments, I really don't care. I do this for fun. I don't do it for formality or for anything like that. So you can share your opinion, and I promise you it will not bother me one bit. But yeah, go follow me on Instagram if you want. JaysWorld13. That's JAYS World 13. So thank you guys, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.